We're shifting focus to the big political story we're tracking today. The Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi has claimed an elaborate BJP plan to buy their MLAs to form the next government in Delhi. Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal released a sting video clip which purportedly claims that the BJP leader Sher Singh Dagar, who also happens to be the state vice president, tried to poach the Aam Aadmi Party MLA. Aam Aadmi Party claims that the Delhi BJP vice president Sher Singh Dagar approached the Aam Aadmi Party MLA with money. The party said that BJP leaders got in touch with several Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and promised them large sums of money to buy their allegiance. Aam Aadmi Party claims its Sangam Vihar MLA Dinesh Mohania was offered rupees 4 crore. The Aam Aadmi Party has now claimed that it will lodge an FIR and produce this raw footage of the sting operation in the Supreme Court. The party claims that it will also approach the Election Commission.
देखिए, मैं केवल ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि बीजेपी को बेईमानी से सरकार बनाने की अपनी हरकतें बंद करनी चाहिए। उनको ये समझना चाहिए कि इस दुनिया में सब खरीदे नहीं जा सकते हैं। एवरीवन इज नॉट अप फॉर सेल। आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायकों को खरीदने की कोशिश ना करें, बीजेपी को बैकफायर करेगा और अगर हिम्मत है तो चुनाव लड़ें।
Well, Dinesh Mohania, who is in fact on that sting video, who is being offered 4 crore rupees by Sher Singh Dagar, that is the claim that the Aam Aadmi Party is making. Dinesh Mohania has in fact reacted. Let's listen into what he had to say.
केवल बीजेपी वालों को मैं बोलना चाहता हूं कि हर चीज बिकाऊ नहीं होती। जिस तरह की राजनीति उन्होंने खरीद फरोख्त की राजनीति शुरू से की है, उसे करना बंद करें और ये ईमानदार राजनीति की शुरुआत जो अरविंद जी ने की है, उसको देखते हुए इनको ये बेईमानी की राजनीति बंद कर देनी चाहिए।
दिनेश जी की बात कब क्या हुआ था? पहली बार आपको किसने अप्रोच किया, कैसे आइडिया लगा?
वो मैं जैसे अरविंद जी ने बताया कि वो पिछले सारे वीडियोस हमारे पास हैं,
वो ठीक है, लेकिन
और उसको हम
क्रम बताइए डेट वाइज।
नहीं, ये करीबन महीने भर से।
विवेक यादव कौन है? विवेक यादव आपके किस हैसियत से जुड़े हुए? विवेक यादव
हमारे पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता हैं।
कहाँ से कार्यकर्ता है? किस इलाके से आते हैं?
साउथ दिल्ली से आते हैं।
कौन से इलाके से?
साउथ दिल्ली में रहते हैं, नेपसराय में रहते हैं।
पहले संपर्क विवेक यादव से हुआ था या सीधा आपसे हुआ था?
नहीं, ये सीधा पहले मेरे को अप्रोच किया गया है, फिर मैंने पार्टी को इन्फॉर्म करा इसके बारे में और उसके बाद फिर विवेक यादव को इन्वॉल्व किया और सब कुछ चीजें उनके सामने।
तो शेर सिंह डागर ने आपको पहले अप्रोच किया?
पहले विवेक जो रघुवीर दहिया है उन्होंने अप्रोच किया था।
अच्छा, ये बताइए, आप कैमरा लेके गए थे शेर सिंह डागर के घर पे स्टिंग करने के लिए, क्या हो गया? आपको लग रहा था कि ऐसी खरीद
नहीं, वो तो पहले से भी बातचीत चल रही थी और उनके पहले जैसे बताया कि पहले सारी वीडियोस भी अवेलेबल है।
हमारे साथ दिनेश मोहनिया, उनसे बातचीत करते हैं।
My colleague Ankit Tyagi now joins me live from the national capital. Ankit, as the BJP anticipates an invitation from the Lieutenant Governor, there is damning audio and video evidence of horse trading put out by the Aam Aadmi Party. Take us through the latest.
Well, whenever the Aam Aadmi Party has made such allegations, the opposition party, and especially the BJP, has always demanded evidence. This time the Aam Aadmi Party has come up with an audio and visual evidence according to them. They say Sher Singh Dagar is being seen in that offering money to their MLA. I have with me Mr. Asutosh. He is the senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. Asutosh, you have presented this with evidence. BJP is now saying it is still fabricated. We want to verify the authenticity of the audio and video.
I can only laugh at them because when we have been making an allegation and accusation, what they were saying accusation, they said that there's no evidence, where is the evidence? And Aam Aadmi Party is in a habit of making accusations. Today, the evidence is there and it is quite crystal clear. It's not only this one. This operation has been going on for the last 1.5 months. And there are more than 30 telephonic conversations. There are more than 2 hours of the footage there involved. So, if they want to get it checked, please send it to anywhere. Send it to the US.
Are you ready to send this for forensic investigation?
Oh, yes.
Because you have also said that you are going to lodge an FIR.
Oh yes, 100%. I'll request, we'll hand over the tapes to the BJP and let BJP get it checked, because now their government is there at the center. If they want to check the authenticity, you know, BJP is in a habit of saying such things because they are habitual offenders. It was their leader, their president Bangaru Lakshman was caught on camera accepting money. It was Dileep Singh Judeo, their member of parliament, who accepted money on camera, and the famous word, the Bhagwan Khuda ki kasam, paisa Khuda to nahi, lekin Khuda se kam bhi nahi. And whole world knows what they did in Karnataka. So if today
there is also a question now. The BJP is saying that we spoke to certain BJP leaders. Vijender Gupta very clearly said, did not deny it, but said we have not authorized anybody to go ahead and contact the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. Would you now believe that the BJP is on the back foot and you have somehow spoiled their preparations for a government formation?
It's not a question of spoiling anybody's preparation. It's a question of defending and defending democracy in this country. If MLAs are bought and sold and the government are formed through the back door, and if Lieutenant Governor is keeping that option open, making as a facilitating the entire through the BJP, this is the murder of democracy.
Very quick last question. Are there other MLAs of the party which are being approached by the BJP?
We have been telling for the last 3 months that more than half a dozen MLAs have been approached by BJP in the last 3 months. That's why we were saying that BJP have been offering 20 crores and more, ministerial berth and everything. In the coming days, you might see more surprises.
Thank you so much, Asutosh. They're very clearly saying in coming days there will be more exposes. Rishika, the pot of has been boiling here as far as the Delhi government is concerned, and of course the BJP has now decided they're going to hit back. So far they have been defiant. At 2 p.m. Today there is a press conference scheduled by the BJP
Ankit,
state
stay
president.
on with us.
And along
Ankit,
with
stay
him,
on with us. Tina Sharma, now a Congress leader, is also joining me live. Tina, what do you make of these developments? The Aam Aadmi Party has put out this video of Sher Singh Dagar, in fact, offering bribe to an Aam Aadmi Party MLA of 4 crore rupees. The BJP coming out and questioning the veracity of the video, also distancing and denying any such thing, in fact, happening. What is the Congress Party's reaction to this?
See, I am not from Congress. Let me clarify this. I'm Tina Sharma, a social activist. Had been with BJP for good 8 years, and then I joined Aam Party and I left it. So I can give you only a political view where I can give you the insight of both the sides of this story.
Right, Tina, go ahead.
Yeah, I think there are two things which you generally see in politics, that they're killing democracy while offering all this money. And I have also been knowing that there are things which are going, there are discussions which are going between Aam Party MLAs and BJP MLAs and, some of the Congress MLAs and BJP MLAs, vice versa. But then it is, of course, individual choice. And I heard Sampit Patra saying that Sher Singh Dagar is not authorized person who's will look into matters of, forming government. So I have not understood this aspect of his conversation where he says all this. And I know that some of the BJP MLAs are trying to, manipulate government formation with the Aam Party MLAs. But then we need to check edited version of the video first. And second is, this is very common in politics, and one should not deny all these factors if it is coming out true. So this is what I can say.
Right. Thanks, Tina, for joining us with that perspective. Clearly, the Game of Thrones in the national capital is only getting uglier. The Aam Aadmi Party has put out a video, a sting video, in which Sher Singh Dagar, the Vice President of the BJP state unit, has in fact been caught on camera offering bribe to Dinesh Mohania of 4 crore rupees. The BJP, of course, coming out, distancing itself from this entire video, denying any such thing ever happening, and also, in fact, claiming that the veracity of this video should, in fact, be verified before this video is actually taken into cognizance. We will continue to bring in perspectives from the BJP, the Congress, and the Aam Aadmi Party on this developing story.